Hi everyone, my name is Michaela Lafferty and I'm very excited to be here with you all in this course. I don't have much experience in the social work setting yet. I just graduated with my undergrad from Penn State and then I came right into this program. So I don't have much experience. The assets that I think I can provide to this class with our discussions and in my assignments are my background in criminal justice and psychology, and the fact that I did just graduate, so a lot of it is fresh on my mind, and can definitely help spark conversation. I do have experience working with youth and juveniles in a detention setting, and I am also very determined to learn and to learn about different experiences that you guys have. I want to know your inputs on things, see things from different lenses, and I'm determined to do well. So, I'm giving my all, and I know that will be an asset to this course and hopefully help push people along the way as well. So the background I have in criminal justice and psychology, I do think will be able to help in this course. Obviously, there's differences between psychology, criminal justice, and social work, but, in both of those areas, I've seen social workers, take part in program planning for, in the sense of juveniles where they had education planning, IEPs that they needed to create, different mental health resources that needed to become available. That goes into the next asset, which is working with youth and juveniles. I was able to see, different things that they went through in the sense through criminal justice, but also through psych, different mental health issues they may have, substance abuse issues they have. And they did all have social workers and caseworkers assigned to their situations to get them proper care and proper help upon being released from the juvenile detention center. Lastly, the last asset would be determination. Not that I didn't like the fields that I was in prior. I knew I always wanted to be a social worker and be a part of a social work atmosphere. And I have an infant daughter who definitely pushed me to go back to school and take that jump. Because I knew deep down that social work is what I wanted to do. So I'm very determined for myself, for you guys, for my daughter who's pushing me to do well. I'm very determined that I want to do well in this course. I want to learn. I, want to be available to all my peers and my other students in this course. My professor, I want to learn whatever they have to offer and teach us. I'm going to give my all, so I hope that, it motivates you guys and that I can be a help to you all. Thank you.